In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Stick-War 3 on iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Stick-War 3 on an iPhone is as simple as playing the game on any other platform, including Android. So, all that you have to do to get Stick-War 3 on any iOS device, even an iPad, is to open the App Store. Inside of the App Store, you will look for Stick-War 3, or rather Stick-War Saga, and you should be able to find the game developed by Max Games Studios. And all that you have to do once you find Stick-War 3, also known as Stick-War Saga, is to download the game. So in this video, I'm going to show you some gameplay, but to actually answer the question in the title of this video for you to get Stick-War 3, this is all you have to do. Just open the App Store and look for Stick-War. Immediately upon downloading the game for free, you will be thrown into this window, and you can go ahead and tap play. You have three main ways of playing Stick-War 3. You have the campaign, which is a single player focused story. You will be able to go through King's Eric's map. You can do multiplayer, either 1v1, where it's going to be you alone versus someone else, a random opponent. You have 2v2, where it's you and someone else teaming up against two random people, and you have the daily co-op battle. Finally, you have single player, where you can do specific missions, play versus AI, do the tutorial to learn how to play, and a daily solo battle. I'm gonna show you some campaign gameplay here, but this is all you have to do. It is extremely simple, and you will be able to access the entirety of Stick-War 3 on any iOS device, including an iPhone, which is the focus of this video, but even an iPad. You just have to download the latest version of Stick-War Saga from the App Store. Like I said, it should be titled Stick-War Saga instead of Stick-War 3, but regardless, you can find and download it for free. Afterwards, browse through the map, do the tutorial, do the stages, and it's super simple to play. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Stick-War 3 on iPhone. If this video helped you, please remember to give it a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.